Good afternoon. We're going to have a look at the Samsung WF18T8000GV, bit of a mouthful, against this Cater-Wash CW8518HD. It's the closest machine that we could find in its class, both 18 kg machines. There is one, however, big difference. This one comes with a commercial warranty. This is a domestic warranty. So when it comes to putting it in your business, then this one is not going to be covered. This one is. So we've worked really hard, especially on that HD machine, to make sure the after-sales service is absolutely first class. Spares are available when you need it. A loan machine, if yours breaks down, we can get you a loan machine to you within a couple of days, and that's FOC on the HD. So there's lots of benefits here to choose this machine. Drum sizes, well, they're kind of similar. We'll go through a little breakdown on the video. We'll show you exactly the measurements of the drum. We carry a full commercial warranty, as I said before, operated by ourselves as well. So basically, we're open 7 days a week, 8 till 8. You will get speak to a service engineer. We carry spare parts all online for this machine as well. So the spare parts and the loan machines are available from stock, etc. So it's really, really good care for, as regards of the Cater-Wash. Price wise, not that much in it. 12 or $9.99, I think, is the best price we can find online for this. Similar price, $12.99, but remember, you've got full commercial warranty. So domestic warranty, full commercial warranty. Very similar in grades as well, for running for energy grades. We're going to do some wash tests as well, just to make sure that this machine is as good as this. So we're going to do some wash tests. If you've got any ideas of what you would like to see tested, then please comment below. Oh, by the way, the winner of the rug, we've just got a few likes and shares for the rug. Michelle Stokes, congratulations to you. So you've won a rug. So with that, thank you so much for listening. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.